Hey everyone! Have you ever noticed the word get can mean so many different things? Not just receiving. Let's see together. Number one, understand. Do you get what I mean? It means, do you understand what I mean? Number two, I didn't get your joke. It means, I didn't understand the joke. Another one means to receive. For example, did you get any emails? It means, did you receive any emails? Or, she got a gift for her birthday. Means, she received a gift for her birthday. Next one is to become. For example, it is getting dark outside. It means it is becoming dark outside. Or she is getting better at playing the piano. It means she is getting better, she is becoming better at playing the piano. Another meaning is to arrive. To arrive. For example, I will get to the airport by 5 p.m. It means I will arrive to the airport. Or another one is, please get to the meeting early. Means please come and arrive soon. Next one means to obtain. For example, I need to get a ticket. And another one means she wants to get more information. Means she wants to obtain more information. Next is to achieve. For example, she worked hard to get her goals. To achieve means to achieve her goals. And next one is, he hopes to get a promotion this year. To get a promotion means to achieve a promotion. Another one means to catch. To catch. For example, can you get a bus on time? Get a bus means catch a bus. Or, I want to get the ball before it rolls away. Get the ball again means catch the ball. And the last one means to start doing something. For example, I need to get started on my homework. Or, let's get moving before it gets dark. The first one, get moving, it means start moving. And the second means become. Get dark means become dark. Thank you for watching this movie. I'm very excited to be here to be with you for learning English. Thank you. Bye-bye.